So this is the criteria for replies to your classmates. And if we look right here, one of the requirements to earn a complete on your forum discussions is to post 2 responses total to at least 2 different classmates' initial post. Your responses should be at least 150 words. Responses need to initiate and further academic discussion. This may include critical feedback, perspectives or analysis not addressed that should be included, questions and further inquiry to fully understand and strengthen analysis, recommended sources, additional arguments and conclusions, and or including your own personal experience. And so again, you want to have at least 2 responses to at least 2 different classmates. Usually the instructions tell you to have these replies posted by the following Sunday, as each initial post is due on Thursday. So that gives you a few days to read and analyze your classmates' response to the prompt, and then engage in a discussion with them.